Gabayan niyo po yung araw ngayon, especially po birthday ni Shermaine. Saka salamat po at pinagsama sa mga pamilya ko ngayon despite of the situation. And sana po, kasi po lahat po ng mga gagawin namin, ng pagkain namin at ng mga everyday life po namin in future. Sana po matapos na rin po yung kung ano po yung gagawin natin sa buhay. And sustain mo yung pori ko na.
Amen.
Ayan. Okay? So, for this game po, we'll use our imagination. Bigyan ko kayo number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay ba? So, ano ba number mo, ma'am? 4. Ayan. Okay, so, when I say number 1, dribble, dribble. Dribble, dribble. Exhibition. Imagination. Wala, natalo na si ma'am. Okay po, dribble, dribble. Exhibition, exhibition. Exhibition, exhibition. Pass number 2. Pass number 3. Pass number 4. When I say 8, 8. 8, 8. Ayan. Pass number 5. Pass number 5. Ayan. When I say spaghetti pababa. Ayan. Pass number 2. Pass number 1. Shoot the balloon, number 3. Pag sinabi ko po shoot the balloon, number 3, so bibigyan niyo po yung number 3. Tatakbo po ngayon dito sa number 3, tatakbo yung balloon. Okay? Ay, hindi. Hindi po kasi ikaw din. In 3, 2, 1, go. Number 5. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, pass number 2. Pass number 1. 8, 8, 8, 8, pass number 2. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, pass number 1. Pass number 3. Pass number 1. Ayan. Sa inyo ma'am, yung blue inyo. Pass number 4. 8, 8, 8, 8, pass number 1. Pass number 2. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, pass number 4. Spaghetti, pababa na pababa. Pass number 5. Dribble, dribble, exhibition, pass number 1. Pass number 2. 8, 8, 8, 8, pass number 2. Pass number 1. Shoot number 4. Pass number 4, 8, 8, 8, 8, pass number 5, pass number 2, pass number 1, dribble, dribble, exhibition, pass number 2, 8, 8, 8, 8, pass number 3, spaghetti, pababa, pass number 4, shoot number 1! Wala pa lang. Ayoko naman. So, ang nanalo po ang team? Ito, ma'am, ito. Ay, iba na. Wala kasama ito, ma'am. Okay, yung grand prize daw po ito. Grand prize. Huwag na po yung open. Wala na po mag-open pa. Sige ma'am, may tubig daw. Sige ma'am, tapos picture po natin sila. Kasi po. Asa lang, pila po muna daw. Yan yung mga namin. Magluto ka kayo sila. Ano pipi mo? Okay, so team bida-bida and team ba? So, in 3, 2, 1, go! Bubuhin ko. Dali ma'am, kulang yung words. Kulang. Mali ma'am, kulang yung words. Hindi ma'am, kulang yung words. Kulang yung words. Kulang yung words. Hindi ma'am, kulang yung words. Pag sinabi kong kulang yung words. Ala, nagagalit ko si ma'am. Dito? Dito? Wait lang. Hindi ma'am. Kulang lang ma'am, kulang dagdag. Ayan na, nakuha niya ma'am. Okay, ako yun na. Kung gusto mo na magsalita. Gusto na sabihin natin masasamang salita, may bata ka ma'am. Ayan na, okay, so, ninang po ang team. Team, bida-bida. 3, 2, 1, open! Sila and Sinto.
I'm trying to
3, 2, 1, go! Ano ba kami sabihin natin, ha? Timba. Okay, so Jollibee. I want, hindi. Hindi talaga. Hindi naman iwan si Jollibee dance! Gusto niyo ba makita si Jollibee tumati? Yeah! Gusto niyo ng split? Yeah! Oh no! Okay, so ready na? Ready na siya. Ready ka na? Hindi talaga yung cake eh. Hindi talaga yung cake. So for now, can you give him a round of applause? Jollibee, one more time daw. Okay, ikaw naman. Louder. Please make it louder.
happy birthday.